of Air 21. They are in the penalty, and cheap fouls like that will send guys like Eric back to the line.
Now this time of game earlier, this Yakult slam dunk by Arwin Santos. Yakult every day, okay. Sigurado ka siya. Once again, we welcome you to Game 7. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb, Eric Reyes, Bobby Nicoy, and Richard Del Rosario. Van Houston is the third choice for the power dressers. Van Houston dresses up the modern man endowed with distinction and a clear-cut sense of style. Van Houston best dressed shirt. You know, whoever comes up with a difficult performance in either team in the remaining moments of this game might actually be the best contender for finals MVP, because at this point, too many players to choose from, too many names to select. Air 21 goes to Steven Thomas for the lead. Yes, sir! Chris Alexander already playing defense there. Oh, and another foul. Hindi ko itong naging problema ng Air 21. Kaya na lang nasabi natin. Look at this. They are shooting their 36, or rather their 37 and 38 free throws. If you get to the line 38 times in the game, you're doing something right. You know, if Air 21 loses this game, they will look back at the fouls they committed. It's actually killed their own rallies. Now Arwin Santos also committing one. Here's our No Fear, fearless move of the game. Brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the ball, scored it. Carried the win with a dumpy drive going under the bridge. And putting in for the layup. Back to live action, Ronald Tubin. Now 15 points in the game. So, balik ang lamang sa Ginebra, 83-82.
At ang maganda ngayon sa Barangay Ginebra, yung mga free throw, they're starting to make it. In the first half, they couldn't get it in. Ngayon naman, ito na, pumapasok na. Law of averages, creeping up para sa Barangay Ginebra.
David Thomas. Arwin Santos with the rebound, and he scores. Making up for that foul earlier, Arwin Santos now with 19 points in the game. Balik ang lamang sa Air 21, 84-83. Kagiwa against Arwin Santos. Here's Beck. Ready Del Deo Campo with 5 personal fouls. Beck up and under. Yes, sir! A vintage performance from Eric Beck with 21 points. Ginebra up by 1. Ready there to Thomas. Thomas flips the pass. At this point, because turnovers will be huge. Every possession matters. Tingnan niyo yung oras. 3 minutes and 43 na lang dito sa Game 7. And a gentleman on the hard court. Next, Tubin, Pakana, Kagiwa, Alexander. Here's Beck. No, sir. Rebound for Thomas. Air 21 with a golden chance to reclaim the lead. They have Billones, Santos, David, Thomas, and Del Campo. They go to Thomas. Against Alexander. Alexander with 5 personal fouls. Boperasol really wants to talk things over. Gusto pagplanuhan ng mabuti. Walang gustong sayangin ang pagkakataon with 3 and 17 remaining in the fourth quarter. It's a 30-second timeout for Air 21. Here's our My Phone Dual Live player. It's saying ng My Phone, 2 SIMs, 1 phone. I really like those timeouts when you call a timeout like that. You allow your players to try to use it because, like you said, every possession counts na dito dahil palitan ng kalamangan dito. Isang puntos lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Ginebra. When you see this mammoth crowd, close to 23,000 screaming fans, it looks like they'll witness a wild wind-up here in Game 7. 6 to shoot para sa Air 21.
They don't look like they know it.
Here's Billones. He